Namaste, Hamesha Pushra Bitia. I am JVN Dr. Anamika Aherwar, Associate Professor in the Department of Science and Technology at Jayoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Today I am going to take the lecture on the topic issues regarding classification and prediction. Classification and prediction, I have already discussed about what is classification and what is prediction, and in this we will discuss about the issues regarding classification and prediction, right? So the supervised and unsupervised learning you should know fast. In the supervised learning, this comes in the classification section, and unsupervised learning comes in the classification of clustering section. So supervised means there is learning which is supervised, and unsupervised means learning which is not in the supervision, you can say. So supervised learning means supervision, the training data. Training data means observation, measurements, etc. These are accompanied by labels indicating the class of the observations. So the new data is classified, which is based on the training set. The second is the unsupervised learning, means it is called as the, you can say, clustering. So the class labels of training data is unknown. Given a set of measurement, observations, etc., with the aim of establishing the existence of class or clusters in the data. Now see, this is the supervised learning and this is unsupervised. Means here this is systematic, you can say, and this is the unsupervised, means there is no monitoring or no controlling, like no supervision, you can say, right? So now come to the issues regarding classification and prediction. First is the data preparation. In data preparation, first point is the data cleaning. To prepare data, you need to clean the data. So pre-processes data in order to reduce noise and handle missing values. The second is the relevance analysis. In this, feature extraction is there. So in this, remove the irrelevant or redundant attributes. Then the data transformation. In this, generalize and or normalize data. The second is the evaluating classification methods. Means first is the predictive accuracy, means there is a prediction of accuracy. This method is used for evaluating the classification. Second is the speed and scalability. In this, time to construct the model or time to use the model, how much time it will take to complete the model. Okay. Third is the robustness. Robustness, you all know that handling noise in this section means robustness, handling noise and missing values should be done, and the scalability means efficiency in disk resident databases. Then the interpretability means understanding the insight provided by the model. Then goodness of rules means decision tree size and compactness of classification rules. So this is all about today's session, and this session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jayoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.